The best beginner riding habits that every new motorcycle rider should focus on learning. 1. Loose on top, tight on bottom. The best position for your body when riding a motorcycle is to make sure your bottom is tight and you're loose on top. What does that mean? It means that you squeeze your thighs together enough so you are gripping the tank, and that you are pressing into the bike with your ankles as well. This will keep you very stable and attached to the bike should you happen to roll over a large bump at 60+ mph. While being strong and stable on the lower half of your body is ideal, on the top half you really want to be as loose as possible. My test is if you can't wiggle your elbows like a chicken while riding, then you aren't loose enough. Many a new rider has crashed from getting a death grip on the handlebars to the point of not being able to control the bike well in a turn. If you are tight on bottom and loose on top, you will really feel a difference in the twisties. 2. Take turns outside, inside, outside. Turning in a car is cake compared to turning on a motorcycle. You don't have to worry about lean angle, entry speed, or not being able to brake in the middle of the turn. The general rule of thumb for taking turns on a motorcycle is to line it up so you enter the turn on the outside, traverse the turn through the inside, and then exit on the outside. This lets you look farther through the turn for possible danger and lessens your lean angle so you can take the corner faster. I practice taking almost every turn this way, even when I am on surface streets. 3. Look through turns. Another big lesson is to look through a turn. If you have already formed the bad habit of only looking in front of you, or just a little bit ahead while turning, then by looking as far as you can ahead, you will open up a whole new world. Roads will seem to get really wide and a whole lot less scary, and you will be able to take turns faster because of it. 4. Assume you are invisible. You've probably heard this before, but just in case you haven't, when you are riding a motorcycle, just assume you are invisible. I have had people look right at me, make eye contact, and then continue to drive right for me like I wasn't even there. Use the quickness and namelessness of your vehicle to your advantage and throttle your way out of situations like that. The best advice, though, is to try to avoid them as much as possible by pretending you and your motorcycle are made of the stuff Predator wears. 5. Assume everyone is out to get you, that is, escape plans. After a few close calls with people on cell phones and inattentive drivers, I have made it a habit to always have an escape plan when riding. If I am in the far left lane going faster than the lane directly to my right, I always assume that there is some asshole just waiting for me to ride by so he can shove into my lane and me into a guardrail. Most people won't do things like that on purpose, but through negligence they will happen. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share your thoughts in the comment section below.